returned!
Hope spreads across the land.
It's beautiful. The world will remember this light. Star, your wings. My work is nearly done. I couldn't have done this without you. You carried the light all along. Are you leaving? Please don't go yet. I will always be part of the sky. Goodbye, star.
The adventure is finished, but the light remains.
What a journey. I know you're still watching. Whoa, what is that? A tiny golden light. It's calling me closer. The magic is still here.
The light now lives inside Luna, and every new sunrise may bring another adventure. Morning sunlight fills the ranch. A new day begins.
Today feels different. This crystal is amazing! Wow, the wind feels so good out here! What was that? Another star? Your light is so beautiful! What's over there? It's shining! Hello again, magic.
The light has called me back.
I missed you. Whoa, look at that! It's floating up into the sky. And now symbols are appearing. This is incredible. What is that? An ancient sky gate. Another adventure?
Only if you choose.
I choose to go with you. Then let's see what waits beyond the gate.
And so, Luna rides once more toward a new world in the sky.
Luna and Star ride into the glowing sky gate. Light swirls around them like a river of stars.
Everything is spinning!
The portal is opening a new world.
It's beautiful.
This is the hidden Sky Kingdom. The Chosen One has returned.
Chosen?
They remember the light within you.
Look, the Crystal Palace is calling to us. Let's go, my friend. Our adventure awaits.
The palace doors open slowly. Light spills across the floating bridge.
Whoa, Star, look at this place. The crystals are floating like stars. A crown?
Welcome, Luna.
Who are you?
I am a guardian, little child. I have waited for you.
For me, why?
You have a special destiny. This horse will guide you.
Wow!
We are the guardians of the Sky Realm. You have restored the light of the world.
You saw everything? Your courage awakened ancient magic. I can feel its power. Thank you for guiding me. I don't need a crown.
The light of the Sky Kingdom now lives inside Luna.
The Sky Kingdom glows with peace. But far beyond the floating islands, something dark begins to move.
Do you feel that? Yes, a shadow is rising again. The storm returns.
The shadow was never destroyed, only healed for a time.
The when we must help again. What is inside the storm? It's not a monster.
It is a lonely heart. Why does the light leave me? The light never left you.
The storm is pushing against us.
It's too strong, Luna!
I have to try. Take my hand.
I'm with you!
My heart is shining so bright. It's reaching the Shadow Child. The light is connecting us. The shadow is here. Transform it. I see it with silver light. The darkness is gone. I am light. Welcome, child of light.
Thank you.
The storm was not anger, it was loneliness, and Luna's light healed it. The storm is gone. The Sky Kingdom shines brighter than ever before. Floating islands glow with gentle green light.
The light has returned again.
You have done what no guardian has done before. You healed the shadow, not destroyed it.
A true guardian of light?
You are now a true guardian of light. The Sky Kingdom will always remember you.
It is time to return.
Star, you're glowing.
Our adventure awaits.
Let's go. Through the gate. The portal is fading.
And the fields appear below.
Wow, look! The sunset is painting the sky orange and gold.
A beautiful sight to share.
It's perfect. Home. I know that star.
You will never walk alone. Light will always guide day. The world feels brighter now.
And wherever darkness appears, and a small light can rise, and sometimes that light is carried by one brave heart.
The light will always return.